Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are fine. So, as you all know that in the previous video we have covered some topic of the chapter Internet. So today the first topic that we are going to read, that is Internet Explorer window. So dear student, if we are going to use Internet Explorer, then definitely we should know about the component of Internet Explorer window. So we will read out one by one. So first one is address bar and instant search box. So here it is used to type the URL of the web page that you want to visit. So this is, my dear student, is address bar where we enter the URL of the website. Second one is address list. By clicking this arrow, you will see a list of addresses that you have typed into a address bar. Click on the address to visit again to that page. So my dear students, this is the arrow for the address list. If we will click on this arrow, then automatically it will show all the addresses we have already typed, and we can click on anyone and we can open that URL or that website. Third one is back button. It takes you to the previous page you were on. So this is the back button. If we want to see any previous page, then we can click on this back button. Okay. Next one is forward button. Clicking on this button will display the same page on which you were working before using the back button, and if we use this forward button display the same page on which we were before using the back button. Next one is refresh. So what is a refresh? It refresh the current page to show the latest information, and we can even get it by pressing F5 key. So my dear students, suppose here we entered any URL, and if we will press the refresh button, then it will definitely open that page. Next one is tabs. Tabs help you to open as many pages as you want in single Internet Explorer window. So my dear student, we can open different web pages in the different tab. So like here we have opened www.google.com in this tab. If we want to open Yahoo website, then we can open that Yahoo website into another tab. Means we can open the pages in the different tabs. Next one is home. It displays the web page that appear each time whenever you start the Internet Explorer. So my dear student, when you open the Internet Explorer, every time a page will come in front of you, that is called home. Next one is tool. It displays the different setting of the web browser. If we want to change any setting and if we want to see any setting of the web browser, you can do it from here, tools option. Okay. And last one is favorites button. The favorites button star is placed in between the home and tool button. Like here it is, the star is placed in between the home and tool button, and by clicking on this button you will get a list of favorites and history. Means you can get a list of pages you have opened previously, that is history of the pages. So these all are the components of the Internet Explorer window. Okay my dear students. So next come to how you can display a specific web page. So my dear student, if you want to display any specific web page, definitely you need the address, that is called URL. So what you will do? Firstly, click on the area to highlight the current web page address. So here we will click here. Okay. So we will click over here, that is blue bar, and after that we will type the address of the web page. So here we will type the address like www.msn.com, and after that we will press enter key. Then this website MSN appears in front of you. So what you have done? Firstly you click on this area. After that you have typed the URL of the website and you press the enter key and that website appear in front of you. Okay. Next one, my dear student, is selecting a link. So dear student, links are also known as hyperlinks. And why a link is used in web page? It connect one web page to the another web page. When we click on the link, then another web page is open. Okay. So my dear student, here see how you can select a link and how you can open the link. So see here, you have opened a website in which one link is given, that is called children. Okay. So if we want to open this children link into some another tab, then how you will do? You will simply position the mouse pointer over the highlighted word. So you will position the mouse pointer here and after that you will click on the word and that web page will be opened that will be related to the children. So it is very simple. Position the mouse pointer here and click on the link and that link will be opened. Okay, my dear student. So this is all about component of Internet Explorer window and about selecting a link. Next we will continue into the next video. Thank you.